But I know right now, 26 Emma General, it's a thing now.
Daisy Duke, I hear West Virginia saying have a good day.
Hey, Mr. 295, Mr. 295, this is 151 across the pond in Europe. 151, Mr. Copperhead 295, 151 calling you, hello.
Go ahead, Mr. 151. Go ahead, Mr. 151 across that blue pond. 295, CopperHead, right back at you. I got that video game rolling. 65, looks like he's one of them old barnyard chickens, you know, you catch that old chicken.
Okay, Mr. 295, Mr. 295, we got the video gate rolling too. We got the video gate rolling too on this side of the pond, and you're still sounding good into Europe. You're still sounding good on that signal 9, standing tall in the crowd. Standing tall in the crowd. I hope you can hear me. 151 said that.
Tommy right there, Tommy yes, but I'm looking to the southeast. I'm looking towards that big mic down around Georgia there. So it's nice so you're hearing me off the corner of my bean.
Okay, 295, you said you're pointing to the southeast. 295, you said you're pointing to the southeast, is that correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct. I'm pointing to the southeast. I'm pointing to the southeast, so the corner of my beam is looking right up your way, I reckon.
Yeah, that's interesting. That is interesting. Well, I'm pointing to the west. Always pointing to the west on this side of the on this side of the pond. I'm always pointing to the west. 295. Over.
But I hear you in there, for sure. I mean, you're good and loud, good and clean. I have no problem here. Let's stay 151.
Okay, Mr. 295, thank you for the contact. We're going to do some uploading now. Just going to upload this video. So I'll say 73 and catch you in a few minutes. 151, clear and back on the side.
Roger that, 151. I'm going to do the same there, 151. I'm going to go up a little bit.